Now this I ordered online. Basically it heats the water. So we have 2 tanks. We fill it up with water, put this inside, let it heat the bottom, put the second tank on top. And this is for like aquarium, so it could get wet. And it has suction at the bottom so it can stay in place. I did this myself. This is where the oxygen tube is going to go in. The one that has the hole that you're going to leave for the oxygen goes on top of the one that's filling up with water. You want this water to be filled up almost half. I went to 3 stores to finally find perlite. Go like this so it can all be wet, but no sitting water, because you don't want that. It'll stink. Like, no. Push through, strain all of that. And I've seen people just dump it and then pour water on top, but because it's easier, the easier is not always better. It's usually worse. And you don't want to waste none of your product, so do it right the first time. Almost done. Next one. You don't need like a lot, maybe an inch. Aluminum foil. Line it to fit so it can be very reflective of any light. Put this whole container on top of the other container that has the water. Put the lid on top, and you want to create a very humid environment first, and then you put your cakes or your grow bag on top. Okay, so now that you have this layer of water down here, this tank on top, and then also I spray water on the sides just to like invoke humidity. I don't know. If you are able to get your hands on something that can also monitor humidity, yes, get that. The grow kit that I got, it had it in there, so that was clutch. You want it to be 99% humid in here before you start growing. And once you see more droplets on the side, more than what you sprayed on there, then you'll know that it's getting there. So I got another idea. Inside of this lid, I put a fish tank light. So it can have its own light, and it can look cool as fuck. And then it's even and straight.